University of Arizona attorney. Not a shred of evidence to suggest Deandre Ayton family received money. An attorney hired by the University of Arizona said there is not a shred of evidence to suggest Arizona forward Deandre Ayton or his family received money or benefits to ensure he played for the Wildcats. Attorney Paul Kelly on Sunday responded in a statement to media reports suggesting the star player should be deemed ineligible to play over speculation the family received money in exchange for a commitment to Arizona. "These reports are false and unfounded," said Kelly, who is outside counsel retained by the university to assist with the ongoing FBI investigation. Kelly said the 7'1" Ayton, considered to be a top NBA draft pick after this season, has abided by all rules and regulations and is fully eligible to participate as a member of the men's basketball team. More: Wildcats star Deandre Ayton's family outraged by reports of illegal actions. Ayton has voluntarily submitted to several interviews in the past several months with the FBI, the university and Pac-12 compliance officials. He also has been interviewed by attorneys hired by the university to conduct a wide-ranging review of the men's basketball program. The college freshman has credibly and consistently maintained that neither he, nor any member of his family, received anything to influence his decision to play for the Wildcats, Kelly said. On a personal note, we have found Ayton to be an outstanding and honorable young man who has been truthful and cooperative in all of our dealings with him, he said. The statement comes 2 days after Ayton was named in an ESPN report that linked Ayton and Arizona head basketball coach Sean Miller to an ongoing FBI investigation into NCAA basketball recruiting. The ESPN report said the FBI intercepted telephone conversations where Miller talked about paying $100,000 to ensure that Ayton signed with the Wildcats. The report did not accuse Ayton of any wrongdoing. Miller maintained his innocence in a statement issued Saturday, saying, "I will be vindicated." Ayton's relatives issued their own statement late Saturday, saying they were outraged and disgusted by news reports that falsely implied Ayton or his family were involved in illegal activities. Deandre directly stated to the FBI, more than 6 months ago, that he never discussed or solicited payments from the University of Arizona, or any other university, or any shoe company or anyone on behalf of either, period, the statement said. This includes basketball and anything else. Ayton played in Saturday's game against Oregon, but Miller did not coach. Associate head coach Lorenzo Ramar took over those duties. Miller said both he and university officials felt it was in the best interest of the team that he not coach the game. The FBI has been conducting an ongoing probe into NCAA basketball recruiting. Last September, Miller's longtime assistant, Emmanuel Book Richardson, was one of 10 individuals arrested on criminal charges stemming from a wide-ranging FBI investigation into the criminal influence of money on NCAA coaches and student-athletes. 4 of the individuals were assistant coaches. There was no hint in the 59-page federal complaint that Miller knew about any of Richardson's alleged activities. Prosecutors say there were 2 fraud and corruption schemes. Richardson was indicted on federal fraud and bribery charges and is accused of accepting $20,000 in bribes, purportedly to steer players to a particular management company when those players turn pro. Richardson has entered a plea of not guilty. He was fired by the university in January. The FBI investigation is ongoing. The university last year hired a law firm to conduct an independent investigation and a second firm to respond to any potential NCAA violations. Reach the reporter at 602-444-8072 or ann.ryman@arizonapublic.com. Read more: Arizona basketball forges on with cloud of uncertainty as Miller misses Oregon loss. Sean Miller report: pundits, fans react to latest leak of FBI info in NCAA scandal. Fire, suspend or defend Sean Miller? Arizona's options after ESPN report.